Discovered MultiSim doesn't always work, so there are alternatives, and I'm going to show you one of them that you can use if MultiSim isn't working. There's another similar engine called MultiSim, and we'll go ahead and find it. We'll go to it. You would have to sign up, but I'm going to log in because I already have an account. So I have to log in. Okay, and I'll go ahead and log in. And what happens is my user profile comes up, and I am all set to go. And what I'll do is I'll bring up the basic screen. So I want to this time create a circuit. It'll take a few seconds. And what we see here is a similar screen to the one for MultiSim. It's a bit different. I started with MultiSim because it's easier to learn if you've never used one of these programs. But once you've used one of them, you can use all of them. And it works in much the same way. You select the components and you build your circuits and you run the circuits. So one of the first things I do with this one is start by going to full screen. And there I've got a nice, neat image to work with. And I'll just go ahead and grab some components. Let's see what we might want. We might want an op amp, and we'll go with the basic 3-terminal op amp. I'll drag it here. And I'm not going to build a circuit, but I do want to show you what we would do to get the op amp into the orientation that we would want. So the first thing we could do is we could click this flip mirror shift. That just turns it around, and then we could just turn it around and turn it around again, and there we have the op amp in the orientation that we want when we're building inverting amplifiers. There's probably a single-step way to do that, but I haven't figured out what it is yet. But anyway, I'll stop this video at this point because this was just to introduce you to MultiSim, and I'll build an example and show you how to build a differential amplifier in the next video. So I'll quit at this point.